Welcome to this express introduction, and today Lean Six Sigma. It is still the most complete business improvement approach to date. So what is it and how does it work? Find out in 6 seconds. The benefits. Lean Six Sigma is well-proven methods and tools to drive business improvement in any industry, and I've personally been involved in programs that have delivered multi-million-dollar results. So what is Lean Six Sigma? Well, Lean is focused on the process value stream and all of the activities that go into making a product or a service, and eliminating as much waste and making the most efficient process possible. Six Sigma is focused on quality and improving the product and the service by eliminating defects and problems. And together they are a super powerful approach for any business improvement. At the heart of Lean Six Sigma is a phased project approach called DMAIC, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve and Control. Define is about defining the opportunity you're going to work on. Second, measure anything about that opportunity, lead time, defects, etc. Third, analyze, try and get to the root causes of any problems or opportunities. Fourth, improve, come up with innovative solutions to drive the product or service forward. And finally, control, continue to measure the success of the product or the service so that you can be sure that you've achieved the benefits. A quick word to some of the roles involved in Lean Six Sigma. First of all, the sponsor. Who sponsors the project at an executive level? Second, the project owner, usually the person responsible for the product or the service being delivered. Third, black belt. This is the full-time project manager that understands Lean Six Sigma that will implement the project. So let's start with define. The project charter is super important to define what you're working on and what you're improving. And in the project there are 6 basic elements. What's the opportunity you're working on? What is the goal? What are the benefits? What's the scope? What's the plan? And who's in the project team? Measure. When it comes to measure, you can measure a whole range of stuff, be it qualitative or quantitative measurement. But let's start with a process map. Draw a process map or a value stream to create transparency on how the product or the service is being created and identify areas within that process to improve. There are many ways to draw a process, be it a SIPOC, a flow diagram, a swim lane diagram, or even a value stream map. And when measuring stuff more quantitatively, you can take a look at lead time, defects, amount of rework. Something really useful from the Lean toolkit is to look at the process and what is value added in terms of what's value added to the customer, what is non-value added, waste in the process, or what is simply a process requirement you have to get done to be able to deliver the product or the service. Analyze. This is all about getting to the root cause of the problem or the opportunities, and you can do that qualitatively or quantitatively. Qualitatively, you can use things like the fishbone diagram. I've made previous videos on problem solving. I'll put the link in the description below. Quantitatively, measure stuff, be it lead time, defects, etc. Improve. Generate fantastic solution ideas and implement them. There are thousands of ways to generate solution ideas, and You can use classic project management then to plan the implementation and execute on that plan. I don't have time to cover everything in this video, however, maybe in the future I'll do a video on innovation. Control, the final phase and arguably the most important. I've seen many projects completed after 6 months go back to the old way of working or just simply not received the benefits. Continuing to measure the process or the product success going forward is really important to ensure that you maintain the benefits of the improvements that you have implemented. In summary, Lean Six Sigma is a super powerful improvement methodology and set of tools, and just a few of those tools can have a significant impact, and a lot of those tools have actually been incorporated into the Agile methodology, and again there's a video on that. I'll put the link in the description. So begin with the DMAIC cycle: define, measure, analyze, improve and control. Ensure that you have a project charter, think and map the processes, identify and analyze all of the value and the issues in the process and service, fix those issues and drive great solutions, and finally control the measurable success of the outcomes. And that was an express introduction to Lean Six Sigma. Thank you very much for watching.